Hey, guys, and welcome back to another video of Daily Positive Dose. In recent months, the mask is essential for everyone to wear before leaving home. It is becoming a controversial issue for some people and others dealing with stress and anxiety due to face masks. If you become anxious while wearing a mask, then keep in mind there are numbers of people dealing with the same issue daily. Wearing a mask is essential due to the current pandemic of COVID-19. Do you want to know the tips and tricks about how to overcome the fear of face mask? Then stay tuned with us and keep watching this video. Here we are going to reveal the best tips about how to overcome the fear of facemasks. Make sure to subscribe to the channel before to start watching this video, and also click on the bell icon for the latest updates about our upcoming videos. Number 1. Focus on breathing. Breathing exercises can help you to trick your body into a state of relaxation when you are feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Psychotherapist Anne-Marie Alger from Counseling Directory shares 5 common breathing exercises that you can try right now to help you manage physiological sensations and emotional feelings of anxiety, find your focus, and relax. According to Anne-Marie, positive affirmation and deep breathing. This technique is easy to achieve in 60 seconds. The positive affirmation and deep breathing help to reduce the anxiety within the mind and body. Choose your affirmation to use, such as "I am at peace," "I am relaxed," or "I am in control." Take a few slow, deep breaths. As you breathe in, quietly say the first part of your affirmation to yourself. Pause for 3 seconds. As you breathe out, quietly say the second part of your affirmation. It is necessary to repeat this exercise 3 times to relax the body and release tension gradually. As with many skills, breathing techniques can take some practice to allow you to most effectively see the benefits of them, so keep trying. Number 2. Increase your knowledge to decrease your fear. The better we understand something, the less mystery surrounds it. By removing that sense of the unknown, it can help to lessen our fear and anxiety. As explained by the Mental Health Foundation, when we begin to avoid situations or things that scare us, we aren't able to experience situations where things aren't as bad or scary as we expect them to be. This means we miss opportunities to work out how we can manage our fears and anxiety. Over time, this can lead to unhealthy patterns and can even worsen how we feel about something. Keeping a record of how you are feeling and any specific instances which have triggered feelings of greater or lesser anxiety can help you to track any specific causes. This is so amazing to learn such tips and tricks that are also beneficial. Do you think that this one is more helpful? Then don't go anywhere and keep watching the video. The more amazing tricks are coming up next. It will be easier to choose the best trick after watching the video until the end. Number 3. Discuss your problem with someone. Whether that's someone you are close to and care about, or it's an outsider who can help you subjectively work through your worries and fears, speaking about your anxiety can help you to overcome it. Working with a qualified therapist or counselor can help you to assess how you are feeling, recognize any symptoms, and find ways you can reduce these. It is the best way to discuss your problems with others and take their advice to overcome the problems. It also reduces tension and anxiety and makes us relax and light. Such as cognitive behavioral therapy and mindfulness exercises can help you to gain clarity, recognize triggers, and learn new ways of coping. There are also some great resources out there to help you learn more about the best ways to safely wear and care for fabric face masks. By learning more, you can begin to regain a sense of control. Number 4. Practice wearing your face covering. Like with most fears and anxieties, we have a natural tendency to want to avoid the thing triggering our anxiety. In this case, face coverings. Avoidance helps in the short term as it means we don't have to encounter our fears. But this is often short-lived, and we often end up having to confront it at some point anyway. Avoidance can therefore often maintain our anxiety rather than help us overcome it. Over time, this can lead to unhealthy patterns of behavior. Exposure to our fears in a controlled and safe manner can help us get comfortable with them. Practicing wearing a face covering can help us learn that the things we fear about them may well not be true. And it is only in exposing ourselves to our fears that we learn that we can cope with them. Getting comfortable often requires consistency in our behavior. It's likely that the more we engage with wearing a face covering, the easier it will become. Like with anything new, time helps us develop comfort in our habits. Practicing wearing your face covering regularly may help towards developing a new habit. Number 5. Find the right mask for you. Not every mask works forever. It is better to find out which part of the mask becomes the cause of anxiety. Some may be too heavy or thick, or might make you too hot because of the type of cloth used. You may be able to find a mask that is lighter or made for athletes, or a different fit or fabric entirely. Your discomfort may even go beyond just covering the face and involve how tight it pulls, and again, different masks are designed to do this differently. Tara suggests that you experiment with different styles and fabrics of masks until you find one that you can wear at least somewhat comfortably. She says she had to find one that did not mimic what it felt like when she was having an asthma attack, like a cloth mask or the fit of an oxygenation mask. For trauma survivors, Dr. Gomez adds it may help to design the mask to give them control over it and make sure it is distinct and looks nothing like any of their other clothes. For children, Dr. Nicole feels it is important to find ways to make masks fun. She says you can do this by decorating them, putting them on stuffed animals, or incorporating mask wearing into fun game-like activities at home can reduce fear and avoidance. The bottom line is, you control your mask choice and your first mask does not have to be your last mask. Number 6. Challenge negative thoughts. When you find yourself thinking negative thoughts while wearing your mask, try challenging those thoughts. For example, if you have the thought, "I can't stand wearing this," notice that thought and tell yourself, "It might not be pleasant, but I'm wearing my mask right now and I'm okay." Similarly, if you have the thought, "This mask is making me so anxious, I hate it," you could reframe that as, "The mask might make me nervous, but I am glad that I'm able to do something to keep myself and others safe." This is so great to get knowledge about such an amazing trick. If you want to know more amazing videos, then keep watching this video and stay tuned with us. Number 7. Remind yourself that masks are safe. Despite the fear-mongering propagated by some opponents of face mask use, there is no evidence that face masks are dangerous. Standard surgical medical masks are not to be airtight. Instead, they are allowed for adequate airflow around the mouth and nose, and studies have shown that their use results in no clinically significant changes in oxygen or carbon dioxide levels. Healthcare professionals in the U.S. have routinely worn masks to protect themselves and their patients since the 1920s, with no evidence that they pose any threat to the wearer. It is just a psychological phenomenon to feel that masks are not safe and they are going to harm you. Some people face difficulties to breathe properly, and others think that they are looking weird. It is necessary to keep reminding yourself that it is safe to wear a mask. This is all about safety, not only at an individual level, but also for the safety of others. There is no need to become afraid and tense while wearing face masks. Number 8. Make it more fun and relaxing. Personalizing or otherwise decorating your face mask can make it seem less sterile and scary. People with chronic illnesses often use this as a means to relieve anxiety and make medical equipment more personable and palatable. Some people even find aromatherapy helpful when wearing a mask. You can try spritzing your mask with a scent you enjoy, or one that relaxes you, as long as you don't make the scent too overpowering. This is such an amazing trick that can easily apply, so I would recommend you to try it. This is all for now, folks. Thank you very much for watching this video. What do you think is the best way to overcome the fear of masks? Please let us know which is the best way down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and also learned something new. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss any videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.